Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Martine Chiella, and on this channel here I make content surrounding motherhood lifestyle as well as my faith. Now in today's video, it's just a quick chit chat with me, quick update on what's going on this channel and what kind of videos you're going to be expecting to see from me in the next coming few weeks leading up to the holidays and a little bit after. And once the year go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So this holiday season here, we're not gonna be spending Christmas home here. We're gonna be spending it in Jamaica this year. We are going to be traveling and we're going to be staying with family out in Jamaica. We're going to be staying with my husband's side of the family out in Jamaica. Now, all the arrangements, we've already made all the arrangements in terms of, our accommodation, moving around, what town we're going to be staying in and everything. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. It is going to be my first time visiting Jamaica. And also it's going to be my first time taking my two little ones with me. Now, because it's another international trip, I'm going to try to vlog to the best of my ability some of the, the changes, that comes along with traveling with two toddlers. Now, the difference here is that where I'm at right now, we are in our winter season and I'm traveling over there and the weather is pretty nice and warm over there. So that transition for the children, I have to make those arrangements. I have, I believe, under just about a week to pack from the time I'm providing this video. Okay, so in terms of where we're going to be staying, we are going to be in Kingston. The one thing I'm absolutely looking forward to on this trip is actually trying the food. Oh my gosh. I absolutely want to try the authentic Jamaican food. That is what I'm looking forward to. The thing about this trip is we're not going to be staying on a resort. We are actually going to be with families. So we're going to get that authentic Jamaican visits, with family. They're going to take us around in certain places, of course, safe places only. And oh my goodness, I'm going to take you guys along. I'm going to show you guys the food, the experience. Like, definitely want to keep all those memories, not only for myself, but I definitely want to share with you guys. So I'm pretty excited about that. In terms of our holiday arrangements, what can I say? I didn't really get the kids Christmas gifts or anything like that, or really even got anybody Christmas gifts, because this is pretty much a big trip for us in terms of a family. So we don't want to do things like getting each other gifts and things like that as well on top of that. So the kids aren't getting any holiday gifts or anything like that. So this is considered a big expenditure for the family, a treat for all of us. So we're very much looking forward to that. I think I have everything in terms of what I need to pack. But one thing I haven't really made preparation for is the mosquitoes. I'm pretty sensitive to mosquitoes and stuff like that. So if any of you guys know any products or things that I can possibly use on myself or the kids, not only just the off spray that we normally just spray and keep reapplying. If you know of any other products or anything else that you can maybe leave a comment down below for me and let me know what I can maybe check out, whether it's on Amazon or in store, that would be able to help. That would be great. So the next thing is, so I have been seeing that traveling around this time right now, it is hectic. So we're going to give ourselves our usual time frame again, get there a little bit early. I think maybe 4 hours earlier. I'm not going to go anything over 4 hours. It's a little bit hard to be there for so long with kids, and I feel like 4 hours is enough time to do a check-in point on a busy time during the holiday season. So it worked out for us last time. It was a busy time as well, but I think we gave ourselves 3 hours and we were able to check ourselves in. So I'm just gonna follow my usual airport, methods, when I'm checking with kids. I'm pretty sure most of you have seen my travel video with the children when we headed out to Texas. So it's going to be linked down below if you want to check out some of those travel tips that I recommended in there. So that's pretty much it. So I've already have my Christmas tree up here. I know I was debating whether to put it up or not because technically we're not going to be spending Christmas here, but the kids really love it, and it's just it was a nice way to kind of get things started. And this is the 1 year that my 3.5-year-old is really into like this decorating of the Christmas tree and stuff like that. So I didn't want to deprive her of that one. I didn't do a video of me decorating it with you guys. However, I'm going to be down there and I'm going to be shopping for the Christmas tree down there in Jamaica. So definitely want to take you guys along that vlog as well with me. So pretty excited. This is pretty much it. It was a quick chit chat, let you know what's going on. And hopefully these videos can come a little bit more often before we seal up this year. So thank you so much for tuning in and staying with me on this channel. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to do so. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video from me. And yes, there is absolutely a lot more updates, videos. I will try my best to sit down and just even give you guys updates like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.